what's up, Manvir?
Ready for dhol practice?
Yeah, I've been ready.
Alright, already got them set up. Let's get started.
This is what I was thinking. We'll warm up. Then after the warm up, we'll do the rudiments. Then after the rudiments, we'll go back to the lesson that we never did. Well, the lesson that we never completed, actually.
Start again.
No, I'm telling you, this beat gets me tripped out in the middle.
Just do it, man.
I don't know, I'm hearing you, then I'm hearing my sound. Like, what the hell is this?
Okay, so start again,
Alright.
and then we're gonna keep doing it until you get it.
Alright. Look, I feel like playing
Play properly.
No, that's what I'm hearing out of it. I'm gonna try playing it open.
Go. Do whatever you want.
least I held it.
That's what you're supposed to be playing.
I held it. At least I. Well,
Simple enough. Start off slow. Build up the speed. Got it? So play it.
alright.
Go, start, man. Do you think you play in Dhol?
No.
No?
No.
Not even a chance?
Not even a chance.
Anyways, yo, we'll leave it there for now, and we'll continue next week.
Alright, for sure.
But make sure you practice.
100%.
Alright, good job.
Alright, thank you, Manvir.